Hey, I'm handing out kind bars. One small act of kindness can go such a long way. If you're being kind to yourself, imagine what you can do for others. I'm out here spreading some kindness today, handing out some kind bars too. Take a couple. How much? No, I'm handing them out for free. Take a couple. I'm spreading some kindness today, just handing out some bars. Take a couple. Thank you. Of course, man, of course. I'm going around, I'm handing out kind bars. Hey, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, man. I'm handing out some kind bars and I saw you smiling and I just loved your smile. Would you care for a kind bar?
I like them.
You like them? They're good. That's what I'm saying. They're amazing. You want one for later? You want a couple? Take a couple. Take a couple. Handing out some kind bars. Would you like a couple for later? You want the last two too? Yeah, take the box. How about that? Yeah. Hey, take care, man. Have a great day. Excuse me, bro. I'm handing out some kind bars. Brand new box of granola bars for you. I hope you have a good day, man.